Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable full screen display in Realme phone. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings, then enter the display and brightness category, scroll the page all the way down, go for the screen display page, then opt for the front camera display by app, choose the app that you would like to unhide the front camera for, or basically turn on the full screen mode, open it and either choose the auto adapt option, which will result in the app looking like this, or you can also set the show front camera. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.